So the first stop off here is the Aerospace Center for Excellence here in Lakeland, which actually Zenith has a rudder workshop going on right now. Let's go check it out. You didn't know you were gonna go to the gym today, did you?
Oh, when they're a good boy, I take them out for a walk.
All right, so stop by the hangar here, and Zenith is doing their rudder workshop, and we've got Sebastian Hines here. So tell us just a little bit about what's going on here, and then also maybe 5 minutes on how to keep people motivated to work on their projects, especially during this 31-day build challenge.
Sure, yeah, we're happy to be here. We're here in Lakeland, Florida at the Sun-N-Fun's Bueller restoration hangar. And you know, when we heard that that Sun-N-Fun was putting on this holiday flying festival,
Car show and STOL show.
You know, we thought, hey, this is a great opportunity to get involved, and Sun-N-Fun invited us to come out and do their workshop right here. So we jumped at the opportunity, and
perfect.
So that's what we're doing right here in the hangar. We've got a CH-750 cruiser construction project at Sun-N-Fun, and you talked to Andy Ovens about it already.
That's right.
And so they've got this project going on, and we're here building. We've got what, 5 rudders that we're working on right now. 5. And so it's
so that's a good launch into this 31-day build challenge. We've got 5 rudders in progress right here, right now.
Yeah, and these are basically all going to become flying Zeniths. Like, I mean, this is just the very first step in the entire process.
And which models are being built?
CH-750 cruisers and Super Duties. Yep, the 2 of them we got going. Okay. So
2 different models represented here from Zenith. Check this out.
It's called a cargo glide, and it works out really well because you can put your stuff in here and out and not break your back. It's awesome.
It's like a toolbox drawer. All right, what's next? Let's go see a guy about a horse. I mean, smoke oil. So a little behind the scenes action here, in case you're ever wondering how these guys get their smoke oil for these shows. Apparently you go to some back alley in the grass strip here in the air show portion here to the airfield to get your smoke oil out of a tractor trailer. So yeah, a little sneak peek into the behind the scenes of an air show. You gonna buy some smoke oil, Andy?
No, I'm giving it away.
So they built this purpose-built building, which is basically a modified container for this event and for future events. But check this out.
Oh, hey, how you doing?
So this is the Air Boss. I figured I'd introduce you to the Air Boss this year. Jerry, go ahead and introduce your...
I'm Jerry Drew, and I also have John Moore here as the other Air Boss for this National STOL Series.
Awesome. Well, we're looking forward to it. Right, give you a bit of the perspective up here. We're about, I don't know, 3 stories up.
Yeah.
excited, man. This is so awesome.
Hey everyone, let me take just a moment here to thank our sponsors that make all of this possible. Great companies like Airworx, Airtech Coatings, Clemens Insurance Agency, Whelen Aerospace Technologies. So take a moment after this video to say hello to all of them, and remember to check out the affiliate links in the description below. And remember, just build it. Let's get back to it. Hey Kyle, are you trying to confuse the masses here by showing up with what is this? What are you flying, Hal? And this guy always chillaxing.
It's a very stressful life that I lead.
Oh, hello, you two newlyweds. So you brought the whole family with you?
We did. Whole cadoodle.
Well, congratulations, Mrs. and Mr. Eggenfelmer.
Thank you.
Back from the honeymoon. Got a little bit of a practice session going on here today. Winds are picking up a little bit. Tomorrow I'll be qualifying, but today, got some practice. So you should be able to tell by looking around here, the weather is absolutely perfect. Absolutely perfect. So if you considered maybe not coming out, reconsider. Come out. Friday and Saturday is the event. Tomorrow is qualifying. Saturday is the event. In fact, it's going to be on live Airshow TV. But come out here in person, check it out.